how to delete multiple or all contacts on iOS. So let's get started. Firstly, open the phone app on your mobile device, and now inside the phone app all you have to do is tap on the contact option available in the bottom, and once you're inside the contact you can simply delete the selected contacts. Now all you have to do is long press on the contact and tap on the delete contact option available and delete it. Now you can simply follow this method, but if you want to delete all of them together, then all you have to do is go to the settings app on your mobile device. Now inside the settings, simply tap on your name on the top. Now once you tap on your name, simply tap on the iCloud option available there. Then tap on the Save to iCloud See All option available there. Then look for the contact icon. Then simply toggle off the iCloud contact page. And after you toggle that off, you will get to see a drop down menu appear. Like you can see the delete it from iPhone. You can simply tap on it and it will all be deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.